Good people, I'm looking for my beginners. I'm gonna teach you how to utilize the flam rudiment. It's very simple. It's just playing a flam with a kick. For those of you who don't know what a flam is, put one hand down, one hand up, and then try to hit the same surface at the same time. That's a flam, period. And they're pretty boring. Like, it's like, what can I do? How can I apply that to the drums? How can I apply that when I'm playing? Here's the most effective way that I learned how to apply it, and simple at the same time. We're gonna flam on the E of 3 and on the E of 4 in the middle of our chop. Now, the beginning of the chop and all that stuff, you make that part up. But the E of 3, we're gonna flam on the snare drum, and on the E of 4, we're also gonna flam on the snare drum. And you know what else? We're gonna kick with that flam. I don't care what you play around it. I don't care if you have space and play nothing around it. But make sure you have that 3E, 4E, you flam on the snare and kick with it. That's all that I ask. So I'm gonna give you some examples. I'm gonna play groove first, and then I'm gonna play a made up drum fill, and I'm gonna always flam on the E of 3 and always flam on the E of 4. Now when I come back and play another groove, I'm gonna play a different drum fill, but I'm still gonna keep the E of 3 and the E of 4 every single time. Here's your examples, check them out.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Hey, good people. You see what I'm saying? Come on now, that E of 3, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E, 4 E, a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E, 4 E. That shift is fire. Okay, good people, it's time for me to apply this to music. I'm gonna play it to the track called Toast in the Rhythm Loops Volume 1 section. This is a loop, so it's just gonna repeat itself over and over. So I get to experiment with whatever drum fill I want to play while still keeping that E of 3 and E of 4 flamming on the snare and putting the kick with it. For those of you who want access to the track, links are in the description box. All right, good people, that's my time. I gotta get up out of here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.